Hey everyone, I built this automation system that uploads up to 100 YouTube Shorts every single day, completely on autopilot. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. No fluff, no theory, just the actual Python script, the YouTube API setup, and the real terminal output showing successful uploads. Here's the thing, YouTube API allows 100 video uploads per day. I keep it around 80 to stay safe, but the system can handle the full quota. I set this up about a month ago, and it's been running smoothly ever since. Let me walk you through the entire setup. From Google Cloud Console authentication to the upload script, CSV metadata matching, and scheduled publishing. Everything you need to automate your own channel. First, let me show you the project structure. It's surprisingly simple, just a few files, but they work together perfectly. You've got your main app.py script. This is where all the magic happens. It handles authentication, reads your video metadata from a CSV file, matches video files with their titles and descriptions, and schedules everything for automatic publishing. Then there's the video metadata.csv file. This is where you list all your videos with their titles, descriptions, and tags. The key here is matching the file name in the CSV with the actual video file in your videos folder. You'll also see ytupload.json. These are your YouTube API credentials from Google Cloud Console, and token.json stores your authentication token so you don't have to log in every time. The videos folder, this is where you drop all your MP4 files, numbered sequentially, 1.mp4, 2.mp4, 3.mp4, and so on. As long as the file name in your CSV matches the file name in this folder, the script will find it and upload it. I'm not going to cover how I create the videos themselves. That's a separate process using AI tools. This video is purely about the upload automation system. Before we dive deeper, quick note, you can download this entire project from GitHub. The link is in the description below. Once you clone or download it, just open the folder in VS Code or your favorite editor. You'll see all the files I'm showing you right here. app.py, the CSV template, everything ready to customize for your own channel. All right, now let's talk about getting your YouTube API credentials set up. Before you can automate anything, you need YouTube API credentials. Here's how I set mine up through Google Cloud Console. You go to console.cloud.google.com, create a new project, and enable the YouTube Data API v3. Then you create OAuth 2.0 credentials. Specifically, you need credentials for a desktop application. Once you download those credentials, you rename the file to ytupload.json and drop it in your project folder. That's what authenticates your script with YouTube servers. The first time you run the script, it'll open a browser window asking you to authorize access to your YouTube channel. You log in, grant permission, and it creates a token.json file. That token is reusable, so future uploads happen without any manual login. Now here's the important part. YouTube API has a quota limit. You get 10,000 units per day, and each video upload costs about 1,600 units. That means roughly 100 videos per day maximum. I keep mine around 80 uploads daily just to stay comfortably under the limit. If you hit the quota, you just wait until it resets at midnight Pacific time. Let's talk about the video metadata.csv file. This is how you tell the script what each video is about. The CSV has these columns: file name, title, description, and tags. You can have other columns too. In my case, I had some extra fields from my video generation process, but the script only cares about these four. Here's what a row looks like. File name, 1.mp4. Title, your video title here. Description, full video description with links, hashtags, everything. Tags, keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3. The critical thing is the file name column. Whatever you put here must match the actual file name in your videos folder. If your CSV says 62.mp4, there better be a file called 62.mp4 in that videos folder, or the script will skip it with a warning. Create videos, get metadata, drop everything in the folders, run the script. Now let's dig into the actual Python code. I'll show you how authentication works first. The getAuthenticated function handles all the OAuth magic. It checks if you already have a token.json file. If you do, it loads those credentials. If not, or if the token expired, it'll refresh it or start a new authentication flow. This uses Google's official libraries, Google Auth and Google Auth OAuth lib. The scope we're requesting is youtube.upload, which gives us permission to upload videos to your channel. Once authenticated, it returns a YouTube API service object. That's what we use to make all our API calls. Uploading videos, setting metadata, scheduling publish times, everything. The heart of the system is the schedule upload function. This takes your video file, all the metadata from the CSV, and a publish time, then uploads it to YouTube as a scheduled private video. Here's what it does step by step. First, it builds the request body with your video snippet data. That's your title, description, tags, category ID, and language. I'm using category 28, which is science and technology, but you can change that based on your niche. Then it sets the status. Privacy is set to private, and we specify a publish at timestamp. That's the magic of scheduled publishing. YouTube will automatically make the video public at exactly that time. The actual upload happens with media file upload. This is a resumable upload, meaning if your internet drops or something fails, it can pick up where it left off without re-uploading the entire file. And then there's retry logic. If the upload fails due to a temporary error, like a 500 server error, it'll automatically retry with exponential backoff. Waits a bit, tries again. If it fails 10 times, it gives up and moves to the next video. This retry mechanism is crucial. When you're uploading 80 videos in one batch, you don't want a single network hiccup to kill your entire process. Now let's talk about scheduling. This is where you decide when your videos go live. In my script, I have a list called Schedule Timings. It's an array of tuples with hours and minutes in UTC. In my case, I'm spreading 10 videos across a day at specific times, 2200, 2000, 00, and so on. The script processes videos in batches of 10. That's the set size variable. Each batch gets assigned to a different day, starting from start date. So, if I have 80 videos in my CSV, that's 8 batches. Batch 1 publishes on day 1, batch 2 on day 2, and so on. Within each batch, the 10 videos are scheduled at those specific time slots I defined. You can customize this however you want. Want all videos to publish at 3 p.m.? Change the timings. Want 5 videos per day instead of 10? Change set size. Want to start next month? Update start date. The flexibility is built right into the script. Let me show you what this looks like when it runs. You see these lines, scheduling batch 1 for 2025, 10:24 UTC. Scheduling 1.mp4 for 2025, 10:24, 20 hours UTC. Uploading file, video uploaded successfully, with video ID, and so on. Then it moves to the next video. Another success. You'll notice it gives you the YouTube video ID. You can use that to check the video in YouTube Studio. When a file is missing, it doesn't crash. It just warns you and moves on. That's important when you're batch uploading dozens of videos. Each batch starts with a date marker, so you always know which day you're scheduling for. Clean, simple, informative. Here's how I actually use this system in my workflow. Step 1. I create my shorts using AI tools, whatever process works for you. Step 2. I export all the video files as 1.mp4, 2.mp4, 3.mp4, etc., and drop them in the videos folder. Step 3. I generate or copy my video metadata CSV with matching file names, titles, descriptions, and tags. Step 4. I update the start date in app.py to when I want publishing to begin. Step 5. I run Python app.py and let it do its thing. The whole upload process for 80 videos takes maybe half an hour to 1 hour, depending on file sizes and internet speed. But I don't have to babysit it. The script handles everything. A few pro tips. 1. Keep your video files under 500 megabytes if possible. Faster uploads, less chance of network issues. 2. Always double-check your CSV before running. A typo in the file name column will cause skips. 3. Monitor your API quota in Google Cloud Console. If you're getting close to limits, you'll see it there. 4. Test with a small batch first. Upload 5 videos, check them in YouTube Studio, make sure titles and descriptions look right, then scale up. And that's it. That's the entire system. Python script, YouTube API, CSV metadata, scheduled uploads. Nothing fancy, just solid automation that works. If you want to build something similar, all the pieces are here. Set up your Google Cloud project, get your API credentials, structure your CSV properly, and modify the script to fit your schedule. Thanks for watching. If you're automating YouTube or building tools like this, drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you're working on. And if you found this useful, subscribe for more real-world automation projects.